Hello students, today we are entering into the accounting part of your syllabus. All other departments have been erased from the syllabus, so only marketing, production, human resource and financial, four departments are there in the syllabus. So we are moving to the next part, that is in accountancy. So let's first understand what is accounting. So, accounting is the science of recording and classifying business transactions and events, primarily of a financial character, and the art of making significant summaries, analysis, and interpretations of those transactions and events and communicating the results to the persons who must make decisions or form judgments. So, accounting is a science of recording, classifying, and presenting the business transactions. So one definition you should remember, and uh, most suitable definition is given by AICPA, Accounting Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part or at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So let's see today only what are the features of accounting. So one definition you must have noted that I told science and in other art is mentioned. So accounting is a science as well as art. Why this is said so? Because science means any systematic knowledge or representation of the facts. So a set of rules is also there when we do accounting. So it is a science also, because rules are made by all and we follow that. And sometimes when you are representing any new information, or you can represent any information in a new way also, so it is art as well, because every accountant has the liberty to think how to keep the books so that it will be most convenient, economical, and most usable to the users. Who are the users? The users of this data are shareholders, different stakeholders in the firm, employees, management. All these go through this data. So this is represented in such a way that everyone can interpret. So we follow a set of rules, and along with that we can also personalize it by adding new things to it. So it is an art as well as science. Again, only financial transactions which are which can be valued in terms of money are only mentioned or recorded in this particular subject. So any damage to goodwill is not recorded, but any damage to any fixed asset will be recorded. Again, recording is a basic function of accounting. That means everything has to be recorded somewhere. At first, entries are made in journal book, then cash book, purchase day book, sales day book, purchase returns book, sales returns book. In these also, some special transactions are recorded. Like all the purchases will be recorded in purchases day book, all the sales will be recorded in sales book. In this way it goes. Again, classifying. Classifying means the process of grouping the transactions or the parties to the transaction. Like ledger, when we spend any amount, then we have to logically see what is the category under which this particular expenditure will go. Like if anybody is buying furniture for the uh, business, then it will go in furniture account. If any business is buying stationery for using in the business, then it will go under stationery account. So it is there, record has to be done and classification has to be done in different accounts. Again, summarizing, that means all the data is summarized after some time, after a definite period of time, according to the need of use. Like after 1 year, it is important to know the profit or loss in the business. So profit and loss account is made. Again, we have to see the financial position of the company, the assets and liabilities of the company. So balance sheet is made. So summarizing is a also the feature of accounting. Again, analysis and interpretation, those statements which have been provided through which actually the last user like management or the proprietor or the shareholders analyze what has been the performance of the business and what is the future course of action. So the end use is interpretation of all these financial data using different statements, and different statements are also made on need basis to interpret the financial data in a logical manner so that future decisions can be taken. So for today, that's all. Next day I will go into bookkeeping. So go through the features. This is a 5 marks question, meaning of accounting and features. Thanks.